Hello and welcome. I've just arrived in London again. I've just arrived at Euston Station. I'm just going for a short walk today with the Canon M50 Mark II and the Sigma 56mm lens. I'm heading from here to Tottenham Court Road. Down Tottenham Court Road it changes into Charing Cross Road and then maybe down to Shaftesbury Avenue and just see what sort of shots we can get. So this is the Sigma 56mm mounted on the Canon M50 Mark II. The 56mm is a full frame equivalent of about 90mm. You just multiply by 1.6 to get that equivalent. It's a lovely size lens. You can see it's just a prime lens, so it just stays at 56mm, and it's a nice size. I've actually got the lens hood on, so there's the size of it without the lens hood, and then with the lens hood it's still a really nice size. It feels good in the hand, and it opens up to f1.4, which is really nice if you want that bokeh and that sort of blurry background, or you want to use it in low light. Today we've got a nice bright day, so I'm going to set at the moment the camera to about, let's have a look, we might change it when we get there, say 6.3. I'm on auto ISO at the moment, so that's overexposing, so I need to get a faster shutter speed, which is what I like. So 500, put the ISO on 100 as it's a nice day. So 500th of a second, 6.3, that's not too bad. We'll see as we go along. Okay, let's head towards Tottenham Court Road, see what sort of shots we can find. Okay, I'm going to start with the BT Tower. This is just a warm-up shot. So we're on F8. Nothing special, just to get the feel of the light today. Okay, we're at Tottenham Court Road now. So we're going to walk from this end right down to Charing Cross Road and see what we can get. So my normal trick is to walk on the shadow side with the sun on the other side, and then I can observe to see what sort of light pockets there are. I've just got that chap there. We'll just get this. We'll just get another one going across the road. Okay, try and get this guy. Just get the guy at the table across the road. So we've got some grey backgrounds there, so if we can get some people walking past. Have a look. Got a guy on his bike looking at his phone, probably checking his directions out. Shadow on the left and light on the right. We're going to see what sort of shot we can get along here. Okay, we've got a bus on the right here. Let's just see if we can get a shot of somebody sitting upstairs. Somebody on their phone on the bus. Yeah, so I've sort of been through stages where this was my favourite lens for street photography. I moved to a 22mm, which I really do like, because you've got a nice wide angle to get more of the story in. But you know, you can get the story in with this really. This just stood back a bit.
Okay, let's see if we can get this chap with the watering can.
Just love these shadows here. If I can get somebody walking through the light pockets. Okay, we've got a leading line. Person's quite small the other end. Okay, let's see if we can get the entrance. Right, I've just seen BT Tower. So, in between these buildings, I just want to try and get a look-up shot with that in between.
Yes, I'm very happy with that. I think that's come out well. It's as though it's part of that building. Depends how you look at it. Oh, I've just got to get a reflection here. Let's see what we can do. It's this chap. Yep, pretty happy with that one. Just love the light and shadows here. I just need somebody to walk across in front. This chap just coming across now. I'm going to try and get him in the centre. Yes, very happy with that. Let's get these cyclists. That will do. Well, that's a bit busy, but I'm happy with that. I've just got to get this arm coming out the truck. I'm happy with that shot. I think that was good. I've just got to get this. This is a police box. It's not quite like a TARDIS if you're watching film. But this one's not in use anymore. They don't really need them these days. I'll just show you the sign that's actually on it. It's no longer operational. I've just got to get this shot. It looks like EOS, which is that statue, is standing on top of the underground sign. just waiting for a guy to walk through or into this frame. That will do me. So I'm just going to use this scaffolding as a bit of a frame. Let's just see if somebody walks towards me. Come on. Ah, this chap. That will do me. Well, let's get this chap walking up here. Let's have a look down. Oh, this one will do. I've just got to turn around here. I just love the symmetry of this reflection. I'm just going to try and get this. Yep, happy with that one. I'm just taking this traffic light, just like the colours. I've opened the shutter and got a nice blurry background.
Sometimes, obviously, I'm not being
Well, that's me nearly back to Euston Station now. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I will put up on the screen my 2 or 3 favourites from the day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.